Good day, sir. My name is Trisha Ele Pochilla, and the three criterias that I choose is number one, a life that is not dedicated to a great and sacred cause is like a tree without a shade or a poisonous weed. Number two is a good deed lacks virtue if it springs from a desire for personal profits and not from a sincere desire to do good. Number three is be their skin dark or pale, all men are equal. One can superior to another in knowledge, wealth, and beauty, but not in being. So between the three, I choose the number two, as the sentence means that a good action is not truly virtuous if it is done for selfish reasons like gaining personal benefits. Uh, the true goodness comes from a genuine desire to help others and not from expecting something in return. So when someone does something good only to gain rewards, it shows that their heart is not truly in the right place. And because virtues is about selfishness and caring about others without expecting anything back. So when uh, so when an action is done with pure intentions, it can called it can be called truly good. Thank you.